Well, this is fine weather we're having right now. Perfect time to have fun. But not just fun, we call it Jungle Boogie Fun. That's exactly what we do. Hey, we have prepared a couple of songs for you guys to jam with, dance with, and party with. But first, I'm gonna let you guys sing this very familiar song going on right now. Yeah. Now the first line is, don't worry. Can you do that? Hang on. Don't worry. Second line, be happy. Be happy. And just join the two. Don't worry, be happy. Come on, you guys do it. Come on. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. Second line, be happy. And join the two. Don't worry, be happy. Hey, here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In every life there's some trouble. When you worry you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Come on, let's do that again. Woo! Still remember the line? 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. All right. Second, be happy. Minor 2. Don't worry, be happy. One more time. And wave your hands like this one. Here we go. Don't worry. Woo! Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Yes, thank you.
哇！一齊喺森林開 party 啦！哇！你睇下幾多人？你哋好嘛？
Look, we got some friends stopping by.
Hey， 大家好啊
Hi, sir. Hi, Simone. Glad you could join us for Jungle Boogie Fun.
啲音樂好好聽啊！不過我中意拍子強勁啲嘅。你哋試下玩啲狂野啲嘅音樂啊！係咁啦，好嘢！幾好聽啊！就係咁啦，嚟咯喎，開始！ 好嘢！
To join us, feel the rhythm, the beat of friendship. Hey,
一齊嚟玩啦！一齊整啲聲，嚟啊！ 大家睇住我手勢。好嘢
Give it up for Turk!
多謝晒，真係好好玩啊
Now why don't we sing one of Simone's favorite songs next? About a lion!
你係話嗰首小獅子已休息啊
Yes, that's the one, you know it!
好啊，你開始先啦。 出場啦！晚風吹拂在奧妙樹林，小獅子兒休息。這夜於美妙樹林，小獅子兒休息。
Now let's do something that all our new friends can enjoy. It's fun and easy.
話俾佢哋知你想點啊
It's time for the limbo dance. Yeah.
我好中意呢首歌㗎。我中意啊。
Every limbo boy and girl, all around the limbo world, gonna do the limbo rock, all around the limbo pop. Jack the limbo, jack me quick. Jack go on the limbo stick, all around the limbo block. Hey, let's do the limbo block. Ha ha! Limbo lower now. Limbo lower now. Woo! How low can you go?
不如俾啲小朋友試下玩咯。
Yes, we'd like to invite all our little friends and older friends. If you're asked, come on up. Don't be shy and do our limbo dance. Woo! You're not la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. First you spread your limbo feet, then you move to limbo feet.